guys, welcome to Bar Z. My name's Stan. Today we're on a little bit of a field trip. We're visiting with Jeff at All Industrial. If you guys are not familiar, go check out allindustrial.com. I buy a lot of my stuff through you guys. You probably don't even know the stuff I buy from you. It just goes out the door.
Yeah, no, we're okay with that.
Okay. He has put together a discount code for us this year for Summer Bash. 2018 Bash 10. Uppercase, lowercase, doesn't matter. He's put this together for us. It's going to get you 10% off anything in the store. Anything in the store.
So machinery, work holding, items that we normally exclude, from the normal discount codes. So it's 10% off anything in the store. And on top of that, you spend $75, you get free shipping. So it's a great deal, and we're happy to, support the bash.
Appreciate it. And this is going to run till the end of July.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yep. So well past the bash.
Oh, nice. Okay. In addition to that, you're giving away a 3D printer.
Yeah. So
tell me about it.
Yeah. So it's a really nice make or buy, 3D printer. And if that's not your thing, it's not for everybody. You know what? We'll give you $2,000. So anything you want to buy in the store, $2,000 shopping spree.
We are excluding family members and employees of Bar Z and All Industrial from this contest. Are we not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we are.
So if I won, I probably wouldn't take the printer. I would go straight for the $2,000 bucks. But you guys do what you want to do. We're going to do the drawing the day of the bash. But if you don't tune in, don't panic. We are going to contact you via email. We're going to announce it live during the bash, but you will contact them, whoever the winner is of that. Okay.
Yeah, and so we certainly hope that you'll be there at the bash. We'd love to give it away to someone that's present. So we hope to see you there.
Yep. Link below to enter that. Also, we're going to put a link down below to allindustrial.com. Don't forget to plug in your 2018 Bash 10 discount code.
Indeed.
Jeff, I appreciate you showing me around. We've got a new store here and possibly have a grand opening coming up later this year. Stay tuned on the channel for more on that. And we'll see you at the bash.
All right, guys. Thank you very much. Great to see you.
Thanks for watching.